In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two websites into one using Wix. This can be incredibly helpful if you're looking to streamline your online presence or bring together separate business ventures under a single domain. We'll walk through each step clearly to make sure you can follow along without any hiccups, offering insights along the way to support your journey. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Wix website editor. At this point, ensure that you're logged into your Wix account so that you can easily access the necessary features and functionalities. The Wix website editor is intuitive and user-friendly, making it a great choice for those familiarizing themselves with website design or for seasoned users. Once you're in the editor, look to the left panel and click on Pages and Menu. This handy section is where you'll manage everything to do with the structure of your site, including adding, removing, and rearranging pages. It's basically your one-stop shop for managing the content hierarchy of your site. Now, find and select the page you want to combine from your first site. Make sure you're choosing the correct page that you want to include in your newly integrated site. When you've found the right one, click on it to open up its settings. Next, you'll want to go over to More Actions. Here, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to click on Kashmats. This will take the content from your current page and hold it temporarily so you can bring it over to the new site seamlessly. The next step involves heading over to Wix.com again, which serves as the hub of all your website creations. Once you're there, choose the new site that you want to integrate the page into. Be sure to select the right site from your list, as this is where your content will ultimately land. Access the chosen site by clicking on it, and from the dashboard, proceed to Design Site. This is the equivalent of entering the website editing environment for the second site. Once inside the editor for your new site, again, click on Pages and Menu. You should now be familiar with this as the area where you'll be working to adjust the navigation and pages on the site. Within the Site menu, right-click where you want the new page to appear. A context menu will appear, and there you'll select Paste. This action will transfer your copied page from the first website into this new one. Following these steps, you've now successfully combined elements from two separate Wix websites into one cohesive site. Remember, you can adjust and format to suit your aesthetic and functional needs. This can enhance the user's navigation experience and streamline your content management. Combining your sites effectively creates a centralized online home for all your projects and ideas, making management simpler and branding more consistent.